In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up and personalize your Calendly link. First, open your Calendly website so you can change your link. Once you're the Calendly website, next you'll see the profile option, click on it, then select the My Link option. Once you're here, you'll see your My Link, and just below it, you'll find the Change Your Calendly URL option. Now edit your Calendly URL in the input field. You can customize the text to make your link memorable and unique. Once your changes are complete, click Save Changes so your new link is updated and ready to share. Finally, my Calendly link has been created successfully. Now, I can share it with anyone I want. You've just created and personalized your Calendly link. That's it for this tutorial.